Yo, it is the 15th of May, 2025. Currently a Thursday. I forgot to mark out CPI. Oops, where is that shit? CPI open. All right, so today's bias right after I do data open right here. Data open. There we go. Is going to be right about looking like this. So why am I touching ES? I'm like ES. Right here, it's quite obvious. It's our accumulation move after reaching up very much far up. This is because Trump has announced a 90-day pause on tariffs, and this was our gap up from it. However, if we do follow, because since we're technical analysis traders here, we do follow ICT concepts. This is fucking the most obvious PO3 I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Okay, because it's our accumulation. I was kind of dried out. Accumulation range right here. Ooh, ew, yes, disgusting. Accumulation range right here. Manipulation leg down. I want to see it go all the way back up. Take this breaker block fair value gap liquidity zone right here, and then go back down. And I'll tell you why in a second here. Why did it just make like a weird noise? It was like did. Bro, I'm tripping, bro. The fuck we did that shit. Anyways, this is what I want to see from us today. I want to see us open long, take all this liquidity out here. This was generated overnight. Come up to this range. I would say at the max, I want to see us tap into 500. I don't think we will. Why did I do a trend line? I don't think we're gonna go past it, tap into it, and then just boom, shit, all the way down. And I do want to see us tap into this liquidity eventually. I do want to see us enter a bearish trend on the higher time frame. That's what I want to see us do. But if we're talking about just today, I do want to see us take all of this imbalance right here. We don't necessarily need to tap into this liquidity pool down here because it is quite far away down. If we do, we're going to be entering a higher time frame bearish downtrend. But we're just talking about today for now. But that's, what would be nice. But if we're talking about just specifically today, I'm going to hide that. Because specifically today, I want to see one of two things. I want to see us tap into this order block right here and then trend down, taking these pools of liquidity that I had marked out, or I want to see us take these liquidity pools up here and then see us go down. However, I do think the most likely move out of all of this will be this. Come up here, take this range, have a small reaction out of it, and that's going to be the move that everyone falls for. Come up here, take this liquidity, and then we're going to have our real move. And this is going to be a formation of a really nice market maker model. It'll be super nice. Actually, I'll do one better. I'll this is what I want. Yes. And then we're gonna, now we can follow that. That's what I want to see us do. Perfect. That would be really cool. Delete that. All right, great. That's it for the, hide that for later. That's it for the pre-market analysis. There's not a lot to go off of here. Like I said, we're at all-time highs. I didn't even take a trade yesterday because of that. And on top of that, we did have CPI news data earlier today. I don't really think that we're going to be having, that accurate of a depiction of which way we want the market to go because of the volatility that we've been having. Yeah, that's honestly about it. I'll be seeing you guys in the market.